we have already learned how to print out values or string to the screen for the user to see, but we have not learned how to take some variables from the user. So in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to learn how can we take the variables from the user and save them. So let us do this here. Let's just come here and comment out everything that we have done here. Okay, great. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to ask the age of the user. So and then the user will put his or her age, and then we are going to print out that age. So what we're going to do is that we are going to create a variable data type. It is an integer, and then we're going to say age. We're going to say age, and then we just do this, and then after that we are going to get the value from the user. So to get the value from the user, okay, before we get the value from the user, let's just print let's just say please enter your age. Please enter your age. Your age. So we have this, please enter your age. Okay, yeah, great. And then let's just close this. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to get the value from the user. To get the value from the user, we need to say scanf, and then here we do this. So the first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to specify the formatter here, which is percentage, and then because it is an integer, we are going to put d. And then here what we are going to do here is that we are going to enter this value here. So to enter this value, we just simply put this here, and then we're going to say age, and then we close like this. And then what the next thing we are going to do is that now we want to print the age. We want to print this age to the user, and then we are going to say printf, and then we're going to say your age is, put percentage, and then put d, and then we're going to put the age here. We're going to put the age here, and so let us close this one, and then we're gonna come here and abort, and we say build and run. So let us wait for it, and then here there we go, it says please enter your age. Let's put age here, we say 45. There we go, now we got it. It says your age is 45. So this is how we can get the user inputs and save it in our application. So another thing here is that if we wanted to ask the user his or her name, what we could do is that we could use char as a data type, and then we are going to say first name, and then we are going what we need to do then is that we need to specify the size. So we need to specify the size of the characters. Let's just say 80, say 80 characters, and then we come down here, we will just repeat this one, and we just put this one here, and then we say please enter your name, and then here what like we are going to do is that we are going to put s here, the formatter specifier, and then here we are going to just say first name. So now we just save this, and then we come here, and then we're going to say %s, and then we come here, and then we just put first name, and then we save this, come here, we say abort, and then say build and run, and then we just put age to be 45, name we say it is John, we're not getting the result expected, and then let us just check what went wrong here. So we have the first name, all right, let us do this here, let us just let's change this to C and see what like will happen. Say abort, and then build and run, and we say age is 45, name is John, so name is John. Okay, so it doesn't work, so here we just need to continue with S, so that is correct. So let us put this sign here and see what like is going to be the result. Say 45. Okay, we didn't abort this, we needed to build and run it, and then so let's just wait for it to load. So here there is a problem here, we are going to fix it in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, see you in the next video.